Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today we are going to be reviewing Magnetic Facebook Marketing Course. This is a launch that is going live on July 5th at 5:55 Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, and it is being launched by Ayman Rawat. So we're going to break down everything that is in the Magnetic Facebook Marketing Course, everything that you're going to need to learn how to promote your product, your brand, and get tons of free traffic using Facebook. As you know, Facebook has 2.8 billion users, okay? Also, we've got tons of bonuses, my bonuses. We've got also the vendors' bonuses. So let's get into it. What is Magnetic Facebook Marketing? It's a brand new Facebook marketing blueprint. It comes complete with private label rights. It includes 11 modules and 5 fast action bonuses. This is a step-by-step tutorial. You're going to get everything broken down very easily for you to understand if you're new, how to use Facebook and get mostly free traffic. They've also got some information for paid ads as well. Also, it comes with a sales funnel, promotional materials, and of course the bonuses. So guys, there's a lot of material in here, and before we get too heavily deep into what Magnetic Facebook Marketing is, I also want to show you what you're going to get if you decide to purchase it with my bonuses. My bonuses, along with these bonuses, are really, really powerful. They're going to get a lot of information about all the different kinds of media and how you can promote yourself, promote your traffic, get a lot of traffic for free, mostly all for free. So my first bonus is the incredible Instagram traffic tutorials. So Instagram and Facebook are two of the most used free traffic sources on a daily basis. This is going to show you all kinds of step-by-step information, how you can also get tons of extra free traffic along with this Facebook Magnetic Marketing course. You're also going to get a lot of important and useful information on how to use Instagram, okay? So that's going to be free for you if you decide that you like this program. Also, another bonus I have is headline hacks to bring in sales. So guys, these are little tips and tricks how you can make a reader get really interested about what you're trying to talk about, get them interested so they'll maybe click on that link. Otherwise, they'll just be scanning through because there is so much information, as you know, online. You need to be able to bring the audience's eyes to what you want them to see. This is going to show you a few little tricks on how to do that, okay? This is all yours, again, for free if you decide to buy the Magnetic Facebook Marketing course. Now this is really new, this is really, really powerful and very helpful in my opinion. This is the ultimate TikTok tutorial. So again, TikTok is one of those social medias that is just growing like a storm, okay? So Facebook is, as you know, is very established, as is Instagram. TikTok, it is still kind of untapped by a lot of people. So a lot of people don't even know really how to log in, how to make videos, how to interact, how to make engaging content. This guide is incredibly helpful and very, very insightful. You're going to get a lot of information, and again, this is free for you. So you're getting Facebook traffic, Instagram traffic, TikTok traffic, all included with my bonuses as a way of saying thank you if you decide to buy this particular product. And yes, I have another Facebook way to get other traffic as well. So along with Magnetic Facebook Marketing, you're also going to get my Facebook Traffic Frenzy. This is loaded with really great, high quality, step-by-step Facebook tutorials walking you through how to set up pages, how to engage with people, get people to join your group. You can start talking about all kinds of things. It goes into paid ads as well if you want to eventually try that down the road. Lots of great information in this bonus as well. And of course, it complements the magnetic Facebook marketing course. So all of this stuff together, you're getting just a ton of free traffic guides, step-by-steps. And also we have bonuses by the vendors as well that we will look into in a moment. So guys, let's get into what is magnetic Facebook marketing. So like I said, this is going to come down, guys. This is going to be launched on July 5th, okay, at 5:55 Eastern Standard Time. So tap into multi-billion-dollar industry with this top converting, high-quality private label rights package to resell as your own and keep 100% of the profits. So it is a never seen before 100% done for you course with complete editable rights ready to resell. No technical or design skills needed. Plug in once and profits for years to come. You can rebrand, edit, and put your name as the author and claim it as your own. It's your choice. So once you purchase this, you can sell it over and over as many times as you want to other people. Fully integrated sales funnel with already made sales material. Just push a button and sell. Add to your member site, split the content, use as blog content, or sell it and keep all the profits without all the hard work. Most important, you can learn the useful information within this, like I said. So with all of my bonuses and this, you're really getting a ton of information. So as we know, Facebook, there are many reasons why Facebook is a valuable tool to market. So you can get 5,000 friends from your target market in Facebook within 90 days. How you can combine bridge marketing and Facebook chat to generate 100, 200 or more per day with just a few minutes of work. Fastest way to combine your newfound Facebook marketing knowledge to begin generating $200 to $250 per day. Super sneaky way to use Facebook to spy on your competition, tap into their traffic and hijack their sales, all legally. How to get started marketing on Facebook even if you don't have any technical skills. So a lot of people obviously just use Facebook to look at pictures, chat with friends and family, but this is a tool that if you want to learn how to get into it to make traffic and sales, of course this is how you can do it. So there is a lot of information. You can look at this on your own time, you guys. I'm going to take you to the sales page. Okay, there's a video here that I'm going to put in the description, in my YouTube description. Also, there'll be my bonuses in the description as well, and just a basic summary of what this magnetic Facebook marketing course is going to give you. So I'm just going to scroll down. It's fairly big, sales page. So guys, here is a nutshell of everything that you're going to be getting. You're going to get, you are going to get the Module 1 Premium Quality Guide, valued at $450. Okay, I'll let you read this on your own time. So here's a sneak peek. Find, connect, add, advertise, post updates, send, write messages, traffic, leads, and sales. Breaks it all down, as you can see, very clearly, very easy to learn. Module 2 is a cheat sheet. Okay, cheat sheet contains step-by-step guidelines for your end users to reap the most benefits from the book. So you're going to get this great cheat sheet guide for you as well. You're going to get the mind map. Okay, so it just kind of lets you see visually how this all works. You're going to get the resource sheet. Okay, you're going to get the high converting sales page and thank you page. Okay, so here's a sample of it. Sales page sample, thank you page sample. Module 6, the legal pages. So you can have the private policy, the terms and conditions, and the earning and income disclaimer. So like we said, it's all done legally. Full set of professionally designed graphics. So here you go. This is what they all look like. Professionally designed infographics. Again, here's a couple here just to give you, see, these look really clean, really eye-catching. Okay, high converting promotional email swipes as well. So here's a couple samples. Okay, get 20 social media viral images pack. So here you go. These are, again, very clean looking, very professional. The license certificate. So you're going to get the private label rights license. You're going to get the resell rights license and the master resell rights license. Okay, and I'm going to take you to the bonuses here, guys. So now, bonus number 1, hypnotizing video sales letter. Okay, so the VSL, in other words. Number 2, get 10 high quality e-covers. Okay, so e-covers really bring a digital product to life. It's proven that having high quality life like e-covers for your digital products increase buyer confidence and conversions. So that's why they're going to include 10 for you, just to give you that kind of clout, that professional look. Bonus 3, exclusive lead magnet. Bonus 4, professionally designed opt-in page. Bonus 5, 12 high quality articles. Okay, so here's just all listed down here for you. I'll let you look at these on your own time as well. And what can you do with these articles? Use these articles for content on your blog, to train and educate, so you can be an educator. You can be one of the people who have a reputation, who have clout, so they'll come to you and you can teach them as well. Build your reputation. Okay, guys. Frequently asked questions. Okay, so what are PLR rights? So it gives you the power to claim that product as your own. You can keep it, you can use it, you can resell it, repackage it, anything you want is yours. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. And do we have to share the leads and profits we generate using this product? No, you don't. Okay, and also if you click here, if you get this, you're also going to have 20 smart ways to use this PLR product. They're all going to give you this information if you decide that you want to buy it. Okay. All right, now you guys, let's get to the price. Okay, guys, so there is an early bird price that is only $9. If you hurry, if you go back here, and if you reserve your spot, so if you just click in your email down here, you can get this for only $9. Okay, that's very cheap for all that information, plus my bonuses that are going to be free. That is a steal. Especially just my bonuses alone are over $1,000 of relevant, brand new. That TikTok bonus that I'm giving you is very, very relevant, very new, up to the minute information that you're going to receive. So the product price afterwards is going to go from 19 to 67 because it's on dime sales. So after more sales are made, the price actually goes higher. So it is in your best interest, if this is something that you think can help you, to reserve your spot to get the lowest possible price. So if you do that, if you click on any of these green tabs, it's going to take you to my bonuses that you can access. Also, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus, and this is just going to guide you, and you just click the button on Warrior Plus, and then you will receive all my bonuses. You're going to receive the magnetic Facebook marketing course from Warrior Plus as well. Okay, guys, so there's a lot of information in here. Like I say, my bonuses especially are going to really help you out. I think these are really, really good value for you, and also you're getting their bonuses. Okay, so guys, this is me, this is Kieran Hogg. Thank you for your time, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like, and comment. And again, if you think this is going to be helpful, put your name in for the best price, and I hope you have good luck, and I will talk to you very soon. Thank you very much.